Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to get a job on ZipRecruiter in 2025. ZipRecruiter is a popular job search platform that connects job seekers with potential employers. To increase your chances of getting hired, follow these steps. First, create a profile on ZipRecruiter by signing up with your email address or social media account. Fill out your profile completely, including your work experience, education, and skills. Make sure your profile is accurate and up to date, as this will be the first impression you make on potential employers. Next, upload your resume to ZipRecruiter. This will allow you to apply for jobs quickly and easily. Make sure your resume is tailored to the jobs you are applying for, and that it highlights your relevant skills and experience. Now, start searching for jobs on ZipRecruiter. Use keywords related to the job you are looking for, and filter your search by location, job type, and experience level. You can also set up job alerts to notify you when new jobs are posted that match your search criteria. Once you have found a job you are interested in, read the job description carefully and make sure you meet the requirements. If you do, apply for the job by clicking the Apply button. You will be asked to answer some questions and provide additional information. So be prepared to talk about your experience and skills. To increase your chances of getting hired, make sure you are applying for jobs that match your skills and experience. You should also be applying for multiple jobs to increase your chances of getting an interview. Additionally, make sure you are following up with the employer after you have applied, to show your interest in the position. Some best practices to keep in mind when using ZipRecruiter include tailoring your resume and cover letter to each job you apply for, using keywords from the job description in your application, and being proactive and following up with the employer. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your chances of getting a job on ZipRecruiter in 2025.